For students and professionals in engineering or architecture in 2025, choosing the right laptop is one of the most important investments you can make. These fields demand machines that go far beyond everyday computing. Whether it's running CAD software, handling massive 3D modeling projects, or rendering complex architectural visualizations, your laptop needs to combine raw performance, reliability, and portability. The wrong choice can slow down your workflow and hurt productivity, while the right one can save hours on projects and provide a smooth, stress-free experience. Lenovo's ThinkPad series has long been trusted by professionals worldwide for its durability, workstation-grade performance, and industry-leading keyboards. But with so many models to choose from, which one is best for engineering and architecture students in 2025? In this breakdown, we'll highlight 3 of the most capable ThinkPads tailored for demanding workloads, then crown the winner based on performance, portability, and overall value. 1. Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, the powerhouse workstation. At the top of the lineup sits the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, a machine designed for users who refuse to compromise on performance. Currently discounted from $3,389 to $2,579 at Lenovo USA, the P16 Gen 2 is an absolute beast, purpose-built for engineers, architects, and designers handling the heaviest workloads. This laptop isn't just fast, it's engineered as a true mobile workstation. Equipped with high-end processors and professional GPUs, it excels at everything from 3D rendering in tools like 3ds Max and Blender, to running massive CAD assemblies in Revit or SolidWorks, and even tackling artificial intelligence workloads. In testing, it handled intensive projects with ease, maintaining stable performance without throttling, thanks to its robust cooling system. Beyond raw performance, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 delivers on the classic Lenovo promise of build quality and reliability. Its chassis is rugged enough for long-term use, and the full keyboard with numpad makes extended design sessions far more comfortable. For professionals who spend hours on detailed layouts, this small detail makes a huge difference. The P16 Gen 2 isn't just a laptop, it's a workstation replacement that happens to be portable. If you want the absolute best Lenovo ThinkPad available for architecture and engineering in 2025, this model is the top contender. 2. Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7. Not everyone wants a bulky workstation. That's where the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7 comes in, striking the perfect balance between performance and portability. Priced down from $3,159 to $2,399, the P1 Gen 7 is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7155H processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB solid-state drive, offering more than enough power for advanced design and rendering tasks. Unlike the P16, the P1 Gen 7 is slimmer and more travel-friendly. It ditches the numpad to stay compact, keeping the keyboard centered and maintaining the premium ThinkPad typing experience. For engineering students or professionals who are always on the move, whether between classes, offices, or job sites, this lighter form factor is a major advantage. What really makes the P1 Gen 7 shine is its versatility. It delivers workstation-level performance in CAD, video editing, 3D modeling, and AI applications, while still offering strong battery life for portable use. During testing, it proved capable of handling demanding projects without overheating, and its premium build quality ensures reliability over years of use. For users who want a laptop that blends the power of a workstation with the mobility of an ultrabook, the ThinkPad P1 Gen 7 is a near-perfect solution. 3. Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 3, portable and professional. For those who prioritize portability and value but still need a professional-grade laptop, the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 3 is an excellent choice. Currently reduced from $2,559 to $1,769, this model offers a great balance of price and performance, making it one of the most attractive options for students and professionals on tighter budgets. Under the hood, the P16 Gen 3 comes with an Intel Core Ultra 715H processor, RTX 580A generation GPU, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB solid-state drive. While it doesn't match the raw horsepower of the P16 Gen 2 for large-scale rendering, it is more than capable of handling day-to-day CAD work, design projects, and moderate 3D workloads. Its standout feature is the 4K OLED display, which delivers sharp, vibrant visuals, ideal for architects and designers who rely on precise color accuracy and fine detail. Weighing less than its workstation counterparts, the P16 Gen 3 is designed for mobility. It's perfect for students who need to carry their laptop between studios, classrooms, or fieldwork without feeling weighed down. Lenovo also offers AMD variants of this model, giving even more flexibility to users who prefer that platform. Overall, the P16 Gen 3 proves that you don't have to sacrifice portability for performance.